Hello and welcome. I'm Glenn Paul, your spoken English teacher, and today is rule number 2 of spoken English. Yesterday I spoke about rule number 1, in which we learned that you should not learn words and their meanings, and today is rule number 2. In rule number 2, you should not learn grammar rules now. Should not learn grammar rules now. This is very strange because everybody thinks that to learn spoken English you must learn grammar rule, but that's wrong. It's entirely wrong, because if you try to study grammar rules to learn spoken English, you have to learn noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, prepositions, and all that nonsense, and then you have to learn how to make a sentence and so many other things. Now it's literally impossible for you to learn all these things and then try to speak. But rule number 1 says that if you want to learn how to speak in English, you have to learn groups of words. So we learned some set of groups of words. This is that's, these are, and those are in rule number 1. And rule number 2 says you should not learn grammar rules, because if you learn groups of words, then automatically you know your sentences and phrases and stories, so you don't have to learn any grammar rules. I am on the National Highway number 7, and right before the toll Naka on Bargi Road, where I run this small restaurant, and I also post my spoken English classes. You are most welcome to come and join me in my restaurant to eat veg and non-veg dishes, and also I post some recipes now and then, so you can also watch me cooking those recipes, and I talk to you in English. When I talk in English, you can also learn your English by listening. Listening is the key to learning English, which we will talk about in rule number 3, which says don't learn from your eyes but learn from your ears. Now today is rule number 2. You must learn grammar rules. So today another set of phrases for you to memorize. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. There are 7 phrases in this. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. In the first set you learned this is a, that's a, these are, and those are. In the second set you have to learn I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. In the next video, as we go on to rule number 3, we will learn more sets of phrases. Once you learn these phrases, learning means you have to listen and repeat. बोल के सुनना पड़ेगा. तो रूल नंबर 2 है कि आपको ग्रामर और ग्रामर के नियम नहीं सीखना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर ग्रामर सीखेंगे तो फिर आप वो ग्रामर के पूरी चीज़ें दिमाग में आती नहीं है. ग्रामर ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है इतना लंबा चौड़ा कि उससे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. इसलिए ग्रामर नहीं सीखना, सिर्फ हमारे फ्रेजेस सुनना है और रिपीट करना है. फ्रेजेस सुन के रिपीट करके बहुत ही आसानी से आप इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं. और हमारे रेस्टोरेंट में आइए टू ईट बिरयानी and chicken fry. Those who eat non-veg or vegetarians के लिए have idli, dosas, and also Chinese dishes. So bye. This is Glenn Paul, your spoken English teacher from Toll Plaza, Bargi Road, Jabalpur.